About this item: up to 4K at 30Hz plug and play, allow you to connect one or even two HDMI monitors/displays with this USB-C to HDMI cable, up to 4K at 30Hz resolution. No additional software is required. Offers a convenient solution for directly connecting your USB-C laptops to HDMI compatible displays, TVs/monitors/projectors. Directly connected to the Android phone. Type-C to HDMI cable can easily connect your Android phone to an HDMI TV or projector. This way you can enjoy live events or your favorite shows on a larger screen. A stable signal transmission guarantees an even and clear picture quality. Note: only supports Android phones with video output function. Thoughtful and durable design: compact and light, braided nylon cable for extra durability. C-port is designed with indicator light. Premium aluminum housing for better thermal insulation. Compact design fits snugly with the USB-C ports on your devices, better signal transmission protection. Do not worry anymore about your bad Wi-Fi transmission problem. Wide compatibility: it is compatible with laptops and Android smartphones equipped with USB-C ports supporting DisplayPort alternate mode. Compatible with MacBook Pro 2021/2020/2019, Mac Mini 2018, iPad Air 2021, iPad Pro 2021/2020, iMac 2018/2017.